This is going to be a summary of all we have learned under list. List is a mutable sequence of numerically indexed elements of the same or different data types. The elements in the list can be of the same data type or different data type, and the elements are numerically indexed. List is said to be immutable. Why? Because it can be changed or modified. Okay, we are going to look at this in a more advanced class, how we can sort the elements in a list. So the mutability nature of a list is what allows us to sort a list. Okay, this is for future class. A list is created using a list literal. A list is created using a list literal, which is a pair of square brackets including nothing in case of empty list or any number of elements. When the elements are more than one, they are separated using comma. When the elements in the list literal or in the square brackets are more than one, they should be separated using comma. And no rule say that the square bracket or the pair of square bracket must enclose an element. No rule has said this, as list can be an empty list. List can also be created by passing a sequence like string to the function called list. There's a function known as list. Any sequence you pass as an argument to this function list, it will return a list. Okay, it will convert the sequence to a sequence of to a list containing each element in the sequence. Okay, the element in a list are accessed using an index. Elements, for example, the first element has an index 0, the second element has an index 1, the third element has an index 2, the fourth element has an index 3, and so on. Again, I am reiterating myself, times without number. We should get used to the fact that in computer programming, counting starts from 0. Okay, the len function, okay, here it is. The len function returns the total number of elements in the list. It will tell us if the list contains 3 elements, 4 elements, so and so on. Okay, and the max function and the min function returns the highest and the lowest elements in a list passed to them respectively. The max function returns the highest elements, the min function returns the lowest element. They are short for maximum and the min is short for minimum. And the sum function returns the summation of all the elements in the list passed to it as an argument. These three functions are best used or behave when the list passed to them is containing numerical data. Okay, and the sum function together with the len function has one application which I need to talk on here, is average, is calculating average. They can be used to the len function, and this len function and the sum functions can be used to calculate an average of a list of numbers programmatically. which I'm going to demonstrate separately in a separate video and in a real coding environment. So that's it about list for now. Thank you.